Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here and I'm back with MsLynn hair. So today they sent me like their super popular 4C edges curly wig. I got the wig in 24 inches and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Now all I did was wash and plug the wig and the edges kind of like calm down a little bit, but it does still have that super textured feeling. It's not your regular basically wig edges that you normally get. And excuse my voice, y'all, I am a little sick, but let's get back into the video. So I did want to mention that MsLynn hair was the only wig company that's ever sent me a freaking hot comb with the wig. That was super amazing to me. It's a pretty simple hot comb. You just turn on the power button and adjust the heat. So to start off, you already know I gotta cut the lace first. Depending on how I feel, sometimes I cut it first and then sometimes I'll just leave it until the end and then cut it off. But usually if it's a little bit on the thicker side, the lace, I'll cut it first just so that I don't have that little halo look after I'm installing the wig. Y'all already know the routine with this right here. I'm going in with my EBIN spray. Just spraying that around the perimeter of my hairline to basically lay the lace and basically put it in front of my hairline, never on top. After laying each of the three sides, I just went in with the lace band that MsLynn hair gave me. I left that on for a couple of minutes and then I did go ahead and take it back off and kind of just see what I'm working with. And I wanted to kind of like keep brushing out the edges so that they didn't end up like super sticky or super like slick back. We were going for like kind of like the messy natural type of baby hairs, just because this is a textured hairline and I wanted to show you guys a little bit more of that today. So now that I've brushed the edges back out, I'm going in with my melting spray from EBIN, and I'm just using my finger and I'm just going to kind of like dab that into the hairline, and then I'm putting that lace band back on for a couple of minutes, and then I also did blow dry on cool.
Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tier 1, I put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego.
Now that everything is on lead, I kind of was just playing around with it at this point, but I'm going in back with my edge brush and basically trying to brush the edges out again, just so that the melting spray is not holding them back. So once I kind of brushed all the edges out, they actually gave a humongous amount of edges. I actually didn't even use a lot of them because I didn't want it to look crazy, but brushed all of them out. And then I used the hot comb that they provided and hot combed the rest of the hairline back, just so that I could see what I'm working with as far as the baby hairs goes. So I did end up going in and just trimming them just a little bit because they were kind of like on the longer side. But after trimming them, I went in with my Eco and kind of like brushed them down as if I was going to slick them down, and then I used the pointy part of the edge brush to kind of like unslick them. It was just so like the Eco could like make them curl up a bit more like how they were when I first received the wig. So yeah, kind of just playing around to see what look I can get with these baby hairs.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, work it in the middle. I wanna ride the all night, work it in the middle.
I'm so used to the slick back look, I kind of didn't like it, but I mean, it definitely does look natural, especially if the wig is like a natural length. People really might be mistaken and really think it's your real hair, but I decided to go back in and I just slicked them down just a little bit, but like not too neat. It's just, I don't know. I'm just so used to having baby hairs on my forehead, so when they wasn't slicked down, I was going to look crazy.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion.
But now, after dealing with the baby hairs, I just went in and kind of did like a mini half up, half down. Yeah, kind of like just taking the bang area from both sides. And then I lifted it up into a bun. And then you guys will see me adding in a couple of butterfly clips that add a little pizzazz to it.
Trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Love again. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react.
So all in all, this is kind of the look I came up with. Definitely not my normal type of a look. I like the wispy, slick down baby hairs, but definitely could be a look if you're a person who's looking for a more natural looking frontal. So shout out to MsLynn Hair. I will put all the links down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye.